Kalpataru Projects International Limited has won new orders worth about 3,526 crore rupees across industrial EPC, power transmission and distribution, and residential buildings in India. With these orders, Kalpataru Projects International Limited's order intake for fiscal year 2027 has crossed 11,000 crore rupees, supporting its future growth. Transformers and Rectifiers Limited has received a letter of intent from AP Transco for manufacturing transformers and related work, with delivery planned within 13 months. The order is classified as a large order worth about 100 crore rupees to 500 crore rupees. Adani Energy Solutions has completed the acquisition of 100% of Vizag Power Transmission Limited for its 8,500 crore rupees transmission project in Andhra Pradesh. The project will help supply power to proposed green hydrogen and green ammonia projects in Vizag, with demand of around 4,500 MW. The acquisition was completed through a cash transaction on 14th August 2026.